Tired of recreating room layouts from scratch every time? Meet Spazio. Open any Revit model with placed rooms and click Extract and Export. Spazio scans every room, collecting walls, furniture, and fixtures. Here we can see the Snowden Towers project with 54 rooms ready to export. Choose your destination folder. Here we're selecting the library folder. Then click Export Selected. All 54 packages are saved as portable.spazio files. Now open the Space Library. Your library folders appear on the left, and all 54 packages are listed with room name, area, and element count. Filter by name or area to find exactly what you need. Click any package to see a two-dimensional preview. Room boundary and furniture positions displayed instantly. Select a package, click Place Selected, and set the origin point in your model. Walls, furniture, and fixtures recreate automatically. Get Spazio on the Autodesk App Store today.